the Congress reel. So on BC, A minor is a great key, and A minor is also the key that this particular reel is usually always played in my experience anyway. So I'll play it through for you. And again, there's always different ways and variations of playing this. I'll play it as close to the traditional tune, obviously the piece as possible. But as always, different players, traditional music is passed down, so you often have a slightly different variation to say how the next person might play it. But anyway, Congress. Basically the first part of that tune so it's basically most of it on the C roll. I'm just going to move in a bit here. So let's go really slowly. Got that bit? Get a little variation I'm doing there without even realising it. You do these things. So let's do it again. One more time. That's the A part. The B part. So what you're doing there, what I find easiest there is actually to play the E on the B row. There's a bit of a roll there, or an ornament with the G sharp on the B row. So you go. You got that? So. Again, and that little run there. I'm just coming really close now, just so you can see the fingering if you want to. So here's the fingering for the B part. So here's the fingering for the B part. the A part for you here as well, so you can see the fingering in case you want to. You can see I cross to the B row there.